How's it going? We're here for day 30 of Fergus Tuna Day 2017. We're in Albuquerque, New Mexico tonight, and I have Grace and Luz with me, both from the area here. Yeah, great. We're going to play Kieran's Reel, which I've just learned this minute. Fantastic tune. We'll give it a go, see how it goes. Thanks a million. After you. 1, 2, 3. Thanks a million. And just to know, oh yay! Grace learned how to play trad fiddle on YouTube. There you go, amazing. See you tomorrow for day 31. You!